Hi people, I am Ashok Yadav and you are watching Million Bytes. Today I have two gadgets with me. One is Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod and another one is Yantralay tripod mount. I was searching for a tripod and after so much of research and after so much of watching the reviews and all, I decided to buy Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod, and today I'll be unboxing this product and I'll show you what exactly it looks like and how it really works and is it worth it or not. So let's jump into it and see how the unboxing looks. So first I'll be unboxing this Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod, which is very easy to carry, very lightweight and very small it looks like. So let's see, and later on this is a tripod mount for this gadget, for this mini tripod, because it doesn't come with a tripod mount. So first let's see, let's jump into the unboxing. Let's remove this sticker and then it's very easy to open. So here's the look. It's very small, very portable, you can say. You can see here it's very easy to operate also, and I'll show you how it really works. Let me figure out. You can put it like this, okay, and even you can expand it like this. So from this size to this size you can use it. And about the tripod mount, it doesn't come with a tripod mount, and let's see how it works. You can either use it like this or like this. So there is a lock in the right side, so when you lock it, it gets fixed, the knob gets fixed, and when you unlock it, the knob is free to move. You can move it, lock it in any position. Now it is locked. Again, when you unlock it, it is free to move. So this was Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod, and next gadget we have is a tripod mount. It's already open, so I'll just show you how it looks. This is the tripod mount from Yantralay School of Gadgets. The tripod doesn't come with this tripod mount, and the tripod mount from Yantralay, it is having a cold shoe mount where you can mount a mic, external mic, or you can mount a light for your videos. So I'll just show you how you can attach this tripod mount with this tripod, mini tripod. You just have to do like this. You have to fix it here, and you just have to lock in a correct position. Now your tripod is ready to use. So this tripod looks very small, but let me check if this can hold this phone or not, if it is sturdy enough, if it is it can balance or not, it can be used for holding this phone or not. So first we expand the legs, and then here you can see it's a spring. It is adjustable, which can hold your phone. So here we have our phone, and it looks quite good. It can be used to take any video very stably. Now let's open it and to its full size. Yeah, it is quite good. I can see it can hold my smartphone very well. It's not falling. It's very sturdy, and also it is not shaking. The joints, it's locked very properly. Now I'll try to show you how we can use it in different modes also. All right, so you can also, first let me unlock it. This is a lock. If you change it, if you just rotate it, the top of this tripod gets unlocked. So here it is unlocked, and you can change the position of this tripod and then lock it again. You just have to rotate it to right and it is locked. Now it is not moving. All right, okay, now it's locked and it's not moving. So you can use it for vlogging using your front camera or your back camera, holding the tripod like this, and you can use it for vlogging or making videos in this mode also. And also you can use it for creating, changing the orientation also. All right, you can use it to change the orientation also. Tighten and loosen it. So this can be used for making landscape videos, portrait videos, and this mode can be used for making landscape videos. All right, this tripod mount has a cold shoe mount, which can be used to mount external mic or external light source. Here you can be mounted using a cold shoe mount. This is called cold shoe mount. So you should prefer to buy a tripod mount which has a cold shoe mount, because it will be helpful. It might be a bit costly, but it will be helpful. So this was the unboxing of Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod and Yantralay tripod mount with a cold shoe mount. So let me clarify once again that you have to buy the tripod mount separately. This mini tripod doesn't come with a tripod mount. And my words for this mini tripod is it is very lightweight, easy to carry. It's not bulky like the big tripods, the large ones. You can carry it just in your pocket. See, it's just this much small. It's just this much small. You can just carry it in your pocket. So if you are a traveler, you make vlogs, you make videos on the move, this one, Amazon Basics lightweight mini tripod, is for you. And this also Yantralay tripod mount with a cold shoe mount. This is very sturdy and lightweight, and this is also very nice product. So I think both of these is a good combination for people who make videos on the move. And also even at home you can use it. It doesn't take much space. It doesn't it works very easily. It works very smoothly. So I think it's a good product for those who make videos occasionally or on the move, who don't want to carry bulky tripod everywhere. So this was it from my side, and thank you for watching my video on unboxing of Amazon Basics mini tripod. And I hope you liked the video. Do comment in the comment section. Do let me know what you liked the most about this product. Did you like the product or not? And do subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Thank you.